Welcome to Beacon High School online videos. Today we are going to learn about the Indian states and their unique features. India is the seventh largest in its geographical area and is located in South Asia. India has 28 states and 9 union territories with different culture and civilization. Our country is incredible because of its beautiful beaches, mountains, lakes, oceans, forests, seas. In India, there are people with various lifestyle, languages, traditions, cultures, and religion. Though our country has diversification, we are united. It is the strength of our country. Each Indian state has its own unique culture. Some of these features attract people from across the world. Let us explore it. Punjab. Punjab is referred as the land of five rivers. It is a state in northern India. Gidha and Bhangra is a folk dance performed by men and women of Punjab to celebrate their occasion and to show their happiness. Bhangra is the energetic folk dance. Makke di roti and sarson da saag is a famous food of Punjabis. Vaisakhi is the ancient festival in Punjab to celebrate spring festival and solar new year. Golden Temple in Amritsar is a major pilgrimage site. Hosiery of Punjab is liked all over the India. Next is Telangana. Telangana is the youngest state of India, formed on June 2, 2014. Warangal Fort, Charminar, Salarjung Museum, they are noted for their wealth and historical structures. Hyderabadi biryani is a famous food of Telangana. West Bengal. West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India. West Bengal has a famous destinations like Darjeeling Himalayan Hill region and Sundarbans. Darjeeling and Sundarbans are the places for tourist attractions. Durga Puja of West Bengal is famous all over the world. Rajasthan. Rajasthan itself has a glorious history. It is famous for many brave kings, their deeds, and their art and architecture. It is full of desert, mountain ranges, lakes, and temples. Sambhar Salt Lake, Dilwara temples, fort are the places of tourist attraction. Rajasthan is also famous for textiles and handicrafts. Camel festivals and fairs are great tourist attraction. Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir are known as heaven on earth. It is also a tourist paradise. They have beautiful landscape, mountains, lakes and temples. Dal Lake, Shalimar Bagh, which is a Mughal garden, is a famous tourist spot. Amarnath Temple, Vaishno Devi Mata Mandir is famous shrine located in Jammu Kashmir. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is located in the central part of India and is often called as Heart of India. Madhya Pradesh has important tourist destinations like Khajuraho Temple, Satpura Mountains and Kanha National Park. Chanderi saris of Madhya Pradesh is famous all over the world. The state of Goa is famous for its beaches, places of worship that is churches, seafood and carnival. Gujarat. Gujarat is famous and also known for its traditional clothing, food and handicrafts. Important tourist attractions in Gujarat are Run of Kutch, Dwarka, Somnath, Sabarmati Ashram and Gir Sanctuary. Odisha. Odisha is located in eastern India. Stunning architecture, history, music and dance form makes Odisha lively. Famous tourist places in Odisha are Hirakud Dam, Konark Sun Temple, Jagannath Temple, Chilka Lake. Rath Yatra of Odisha is famous all over the world. Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. It is bordered by a number of beaches, covered by hills of Western Ghats and filled with backwaters. Kerala is known for its Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Ayurveda, Kathakali and beaches. Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state. It attracts tourists from different states and foreign countries. Bollywood, Ajanta and Ellora Caves, the Gateway of India, hill stations like Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, Matheran, Khandala and Panchgani are located in Maharashtra. Assam. Assam is the state located in the northeast region of the India. Assam is known for its silk bazaars, Kamakhya temple, Kaziranga National Park, Bihu dance and Assam tea. We should be proud of our cultural heritage. So it's our duty to maintain its unique feature. The next topic is holidaying in the hills. A lot of people spend their holidays in the cool hills during summers. The hill stations are not only cooler but also attractive and charming place. It is also calm and peaceful. Let us know about the different hill stations present in India. The first hill station is Darjeeling. Darjeeling is located high up in the state of West Bengal. It offers a scenic view of the Kanchenjunga peak and the vast tea plantations. Next is Srinagar. Srinagar is called the city of lakes. It lies on the banks of river Jhelum. The Mughal Gardens here is popular tourist attraction. Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar is the highest hill station in the Western Ghat. It is the famous for its rivers, ancient temples, waterfalls, evergreen dense forest, strawberry farms and pleasant weather. Udhag Mandalam, which is also known as Uti. It is a beautiful hill station in the Nilgiri Hills. The Tea Coffee Festival is a major attraction of this place. Shimla. Shimla is a cool, hilly terrain. It is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. It is very popular holiday retreat during the summer months and is well known for its Victorian architecture. Dehradun. Dehradun is situated in the mountain range of the Himalayas. It is the capital of Uttarakhand. It is an academic and research hub for the students. It is also famous for its attractive valley and pleasant climate. Shillong. Shillong is a pretty hill town with lakes dotted with pine trees and English cottages along the hillside. It is the capital of Meghalaya. Gulmarg. Gulmarg is a popular winter sports destination which is also named as Meadow of Flowers. It is a popular skiing destination. Kullu. Kullu is a charming, attractive and broad open valley. It is also known as Valley of Gods. It is famous for its temples, vast and beautiful majestic hills which are covered in pine and deodar forest. Next is the Badrinath. Badrinath is a holy town and one of the four sites in India's Char Dham. It is known as abode of Lord Vishnu's, which means it is the home of Lord Vishnu and is situated on the banks of Alaknanda. So students, today we have learned all about the states and their unique features and beautiful places where we can visit.